Well, today was the first day in the preliminary examination for Dale Warner. He's the man charged with killing his wife, Dee Warner.
Dee Warner has been missing since April of 2021. Her body has never been found, but a judge declared her dead in March.
Yeah, our team was at the Lenawee County Courthouse today, and Andre Norrells joins us live in studio with a full recap. So, Andre, how would you describe the feeling in court today?
Yeah, Jeff and Kaylee, today was the first day of the preliminary hearing, and the prosecution was first up. There were 5 witnesses called up to the stand today, some emotional, having to revisit when Dee went missing.
There was a lot of yelling, there was a lot of cussing, slamming things maybe, irritation.
One by one, friends and family of Dee Warner were called up, describing Dee's relationship with her husband Dale and recalling the weeks, days, and even hours leading up to her disappearance.
One of the last things that my mom said to me was, I watch Dateline like every night and he could do something like that to me.
And what did she mean? What did you take that to mean? He could do something like that to me?
Objection, speculation.
If you know.
Make her disappear.
That's Raquel Bach, one of Dee's children from her first marriage. She told the court that divorce was a common conversation between her mother and Dale, especially leading up to her going missing. Right after she vanished, she recalled something Dale told her.
Something about how my mom has ruined his life. She's always trying to ruin his life.
The prosecution called Kyle Wagner to the stand. He performed IT tasks for Dale and Dee. He testified that Dale requested him to change the passwords of the security system on April 26th, the day after Dee went missing.
I went ahead and changed the passwords as requested and gave him a copy of the passwords.
Wagner also said that Dale asked him to copy information from Dee's phone. He said no.
I didn't feel that it was right.
Objection.
During the hearing, Dale's attorneys argued multiple times that prosecutors were leading witnesses, meaning they were framing questions that suggested specific answers. The defense asked witnesses about Dee's temper and behavior.
Would you classify her as dramatic?
That's fair to say.
Would you classify her to overreact to situations?
Yeah.
Amy Alexander went on the witness stand twice. She was Dee's sister-in-law and says she was close to her. She also organized the Justice for Dee Facebook group after Dee's disappearance. Like Bach, Alexander said Dee mentioned divorce several times.
She said she wanted to sell the trucking company and be done.
Okay. Be done with what?
The marriage.
Now, the prosecution is expected to call more witnesses and show evidence in the coming days. Dee's family doesn't know what the evidence is yet. Everyone will be back in court tomorrow at noon in Lenawee County. We'll have team coverage throughout the day and another recap tomorrow night at 11. Reporting in studio, Andre Norrells, WTWL 11.